Alright, good evening everyone. It is August the 8th, 2019. It is 11:45 p.m. This will be your last earthquake report until tomorrow morning. So let's get to it here. There was a 3.1 near the coast of western Turkey at 3.1 miles in depth. A 4.0 off the shore of Oaxaca, Mexico at 8.0 miles in depth. A 3.2 Antofagasta, Chile at 26.0 miles in depth. A 3.5 San Juan, Argentina at 157.8 miles in depth. A 3.0 Western Turkey at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.0 Central California, 13 miles southeast of Little Lake at 2 miles in depth. A 3.6 near the coast of central Peru, that came in at 16.1 mile in depth. A 3.8 Papua, Indonesia at 85.1 miles in depth. A 3.4 Guerrero, Mexico at 3.1 miles in depth. And a 3.3 Colima, Mexico at 25.4 miles in depth. There was a 3.8 Chile at 90.0 miles in depth. A 4.7 south of Fiji Islands at 325 miles in depth. There was a 4.9 near the coast of central Chile. That came in at 54 miles in depth. There was a 2.8 Kansas, 6 miles southeast of Anthony, Kansas, at 3 miles in depth. And a 4.7 Central East Pacific Rise at 6.2 miles in depth. All links are in the description box. That's all I have for you for right now, guys. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are totally awesome. 2 thumbs up for you. Sending much love your way. Sweet dreams. Dream softly. Thank you again for watching.